Hello everyone. Today we will discuss AI property valuation using prompt engineering. In this lecture, we will cover why traditional valuation falls short, the 4 data sources you will use. Step 1. Pull the raw data. Step 2. Run the multi-source valuation prompt. Step 3. Adjust for condition and upgrades. Step 4. Overpay risk scoring, using Perplexity for live market context. Building a repeatable valuation workflow. Common valuation mistakes to avoid, and your valuation action plan. Why traditional valuation falls short. Traditional property valuation relies on a single source, such as an appraiser, a Zestimate, or an agent's opinion. Each of these has limitations. Zestimates often miss condition, upgrades, and micro-location factors. Appraisals are backward-looking because they depend on past sales data and are often slow and expensive. Agent opinions can vary widely and are sometimes based on intuition as much as data. AI improves this process by combining multiple data sources to generate a more accurate and complete estimate instantly. The 4 data sources you will use. You do not need MLS access to perform a strong valuation. 4 public sources are sufficient. Zillow provides the Zestimate, listing details, and price history. Redfin offers comparable sales data and days-on-market trends. Public records show tax-assessed value and ownership history. Perplexity AI provides real-time market and neighborhood context. Together, these sources give a complete data foundation. Step 1. Pull the raw data. Start by collecting all necessary data. Copy the full Zillow listing details including price, beds, baths, square footage, year built, lot size, days on market, and price history. Then find 3 to 5 comparable properties on Redfin that sold within the last 90 days and within 0.5 miles. Record their prices and features. Finally, check the county assessor records for tax-assessed value. This step provides the raw inputs needed for analysis. Step 2. Run the multi-source valuation prompt. Paste all collected data into ChatGPT in a single prompt. Ask the model to calculate price per square foot for each comparable property and estimate a fair market value range for the target property. Also request a confidence level and key assumptions. This step converts raw data into a structured valuation. Step 3. Adjust for condition and upgrades. Price comparisons alone do not reflect property condition. Renovations such as a modern kitchen or new systems can increase value, while outdated features or maintenance issues can reduce it. Ask AI to adjust the valuation based on these differences between the target property and comparable properties to get a more accurate estimate. Step 4. Overpay risk scoring. Overpay risk is determined by comparing the asking price with the estimated fair market value. If the asking price is significantly higher, the risk increases. Days on market and any price reductions can indicate seller flexibility. Ask AI to assign a risk score from 1 to 10 and suggest a maximum offer price to avoid overpaying. Using Perplexity for live market context. AI models may not include the most recent market data. Perplexity AI helps by providing real-time information. Use it to research current trends such as median sale prices, days on market, and whether homes are selling above or below asking price. It can also highlight neighborhood developments and changes that impact property value. Building a repeatable valuation workflow. Consistency is important for accurate analysis. Save your prompt templates and reuse them. Create a checklist to ensure you collect the same data every time. Apply the same 4-step process to each property so you can compare results consistently and make better decisions. Common valuation mistakes to avoid. Avoid using outdated comparable sales older than 90 days. Always account for condition differences between properties. Do not rely solely on one data source such as the Zestimate. Also consider whether the market is rising or falling, as this affects property value. Your valuation action plan. Choose a property you are interested in and collect data from Zillow and Redfin. Run the valuation process using AI. Review the estimated value and calculate the overpay risk. Use this analysis to decide whether the property is worth pursuing. AI-powered property valuation is a fast, consistent, and data-driven approach that helps you make better real estate decisions and avoid overpaying. Thank you for watching.